In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Discord password. If you've forgotten it, you might actually be able to find it saved on your iPhone. First, head over to your home screen and use the search bar to type passwords. Then, open the app called Passwords. Once you're in the app, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen and type Discord. If Discord appears in the list, simply tap on it, and you'll be able to view your saved password by tapping on the password field. If you don't find your Discord password there, there's another place you can check. Open any internet browser on your phone and sign in to your Google account. Once signed in, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Manage your Google account. From the top navigation bar, scroll across and tap Security. Then, scroll down until you see the Password Manager section, and tap Manage Passwords. Now use the search bar and type Discord. If Discord appears in the list of saved websites, tap on it, and you'll be able to reveal your password by selecting the password field. So, those are the two ways to view your current Discord password. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.